Did you know that special forces carry a pencil sharpener in their survival kit? And you also have to manage energy in difficult situations, especially in the army. One of the ways to manage the energy of setting up a fire is that you need a tinder in the first step. In cold weather, you need a tinder to start a fire, and you can make a simple and easy fire in the open air. To avoid injuries, I learned that these two sawing tricks can be dangerous. You can tighten the stump behind the knee, or find two trees, secure the log, and now it is stable. You can saw with high precision. You should know how to make a safe shelter for rainy weather with a rescue blanket. This is one of the uses of the rescue blanket. Then, by finding two trees next to each other, we can prepare the land for settlement. For the upper part of the shelter, you should choose a long piece of wood and use a rope to hold it. The two trees you find should be the size of your blanket, and you'll need a few pieces of wood to attach to the ground and top to make a fairly sturdy shelter. Then I put the rescue blanket on it and connect it to the sticks with glue and rope. You can use plants and soil to prevent the cold from the bottom of the shelter. And after building a fire, we can rest in the shelter. This is the easiest way to build a shelter. You should know why I suck the rock before I die. When you need motivation, you will feel weak and dizzy. Sucking the stone stimulates the production of saliva, which temporarily relieves thirst, but you can use it to boost motivation.